Hi, I'm Kitty Cole. I'm a business coach and trainer for mortgage brokers and real estate agents in the whole San Francisco Bay Area. Today I'm going to talk about stress management and depression as it's affecting us during the COVID crisis. So what I've noticed from coaching clients is that they've been sad, depressed, they have feelings of isolation. Some people are telling me they have a great fear about getting the virus itself, fear of the unknown, fear of change, and I think the biggest one is the exhaustion for the parents. So how to deal with it? One thing is to look at your beliefs. One of the things that we do all the time, and it's so common, is that we don't hear our own negative self-talk. That's what I was talking about this morning, by the way. This agent is talking about what she doesn't have. Everybody else is so busy and she doesn't have enough business. Well, she just signed a listing and she is busier than she thinks, and it's just amazing. I said, reframe it. Stop talking about what's not working, but talk about what is working, and to refocus on the positive. She said to me, I only have one A buyer, and I said, no, say it again. I have an A buyer and they're really ready to go and they're decent price point and so on. And so she could see what I meant about reframe it. So number 2, stay present as much as possible. Take all that energy that you spend worrying about the past and the future and put it into the present, into activities. Super helpful for me. Number 3 is exercise. If you could exercise 20 minutes a day, ideally, that would actually make you feel better. Sometimes I walk in meditation without earbuds in. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to NPR podcasts, and that's fantastic. Number 4 is get busy. And that's just a little coaching to all of you. Pretend you're my client and make the calls every week, like 10 calls every week, 10 texts and emails. Make videos and send them out as a thank you. It could be as simple as write a few notes every week. I'm getting notes in the mail and I love it. So just a heads up. Do your prospecting. Number 5 is to relax. The pandemic is here to stay for a little while, but I would say maintain a positive attitude as much as possible. This is number 7, affirmations. I use this too shall pass. I'm amazingly resilient. I'm going to have a great year. I'm powerful. I'm grateful for all that I have. So number 8, I visualize my success a lot. If you haven't done that, I would try to visualize my, $30 million year, my 100,000 in the bank, whatever it is that works for you. 9, read more for enjoyment. Is number 10, limit the news. 11 is to call a friend to chat or vent, and I do that myself. And 12, one of the biggest things, I think it's so simple, but to every day have something that brings you joy. So I open my curtains in my bedroom and I say, today another day in paradise. And it's beautiful. I look at my flowers, my pool, my herbs, and I set my tone for the day. Thanks so much for listening. Be well, stay safe, be healthy. Bye.